Right, I'm going to show you how the travel areas, or more technically isochrones, are displayed. Click travel areas on the left, and what we're going to do is show how far a person can travel using the road network over a given amount of time. So we select travel time, detail range, forget that, minutes per band. How long are they going to travel for? So we'll say 20 minutes, and we want 5 different bands. Now that has automatically populated this. Now we've got to pick a starting point. I will pick a starting point by pressing somewhere on the map. So I'll pick somewhere quite central. We'll say there. Now that's the starting point. We generate the travel areas by clicking this button, and that'll go away, do some. It actually contacts an API elsewhere, but what that's produced us is a map to show how far you can get using the road network in any direction over these particular times. So you can see 0 to 12 minutes we can't get very far, 12 to 24 we get a bit further, and up to 60 minutes we can get a lot further. Now the reason this is shaped like it is, 60 minutes traveling across here might take you along lots of back roads and small roads, no major roads, and so on. So it's going to take you a lot longer to travel very far. Now, going down here, you can see that we get a long way, the furthest we get. Now, that probably follows a major motorway. If we show the underlay map, like a Google map, zoom in, we can see it does indeed follow the M1. So what that's saying is, we can get a lot further on the M1 traveling at 70 miles an hour than we can traveling at what's the shortest distance? Shortest distance across here, I think. See, there's no real, I suppose there is there, the 619, but there's no real main road going across here. So this, oops, got rid of it again. Generate some new travel times. There we go. Now what we can also do is we can select the areas inside the travel areas, just as we did with the circles, and then we can remove the travel areas, and now we're left with a territory map showing what postcodes appear within those travel areas. So we can now say, for instance, ST90 is 36 to 48 minutes. So we can deliver that in zone 3, say, or something like that. So that is our travel areas.